Hi my friend, welcome to Sincere Package. Today I would like to introduce our product, Glossy aluminum coating 3-size seal pouch with zipper. We have total 6 colors to choose from: red, green, white, blue, purple, and black. As you see, the surface of this product is aluminum coating, and the heat sealing is very flat and the easy tear. Let's take a look inside. The reservoir zipper on the top, and the inside is made for aluminum. Be able to let your product have the best exclusion of air and sunlight. We have a total of 14 stock sizes to choose from. Also, we support product customization service. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please contact us.